What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could have pink, soft, and hydrated lips that look absolutely irresistible? Sounds too good to be true. Stick with me because I've got a plan that works. In this video, I'll share proven tips that will transform your lips into the juicy, hydrated perfection you've always wanted. No more chapped lips, no more dullness, just pure softness and a beautiful natural pink hue. Let's jump right into it. Day 1. Start with exfoliation. The first step to getting gorgeous lips is getting rid of that dull, dry skin. Think of exfoliation as hitting the reset button for your lips. You'll need something gentle yet effective. Here's what works wonders. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of sugar. Apply the mixture to your lips and massage in soft, circular motions for about 1-2 minutes. Don't rush. Let the sugar granules slough off the dead skin while the honey hydrates and nourishes. After exfoliating, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your lips dry with a soft towel. Immediately follow up with a thick layer of lip balm or petroleum jelly to seal in the moisture. This step preps your lips and sets the stage for all the treatments to follow. Repeat this exfoliation process every 2-3 days throughout the week, but be gentle. Over-exfoliating can irritate the delicate skin on your lips. Day 2. Focus on deep hydration inside and out. Lips dry out faster than the rest of your skin because they lack oil glands, so staying hydrated is key. On day 2, ramp up your water intake. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. It's simple but so effective. When you're hydrated from within, your lips naturally appear fuller and smoother. But don't stop there. External hydration is just as important. Use a hydrating lip balm with ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or hyaluronic acid. Reapply throughout the day, especially after eating or drinking. If you're dealing with extremely dry or cracked lips, switch to a medical-grade ointment like Aquaphor or Vaseline to give your lips a moisture barrier. Day 3. Repair with vitamin E. Vitamin E is a game changer for your lips. It's a powerful antioxidant that repairs damaged skin and boosts blood circulation, giving your lips that natural rosy glow. All you need is 1 vitamin E capsule. Simply pierce the capsule and squeeze out the oil, apply it directly to your lips and gently massage for about a minute to help it absorb. Do this before bedtime, and let the oil work its magic overnight. Vitamin E not only heals cracks and dryness but also helps fade any discoloration over time. With consistent use, you'll notice your lips becoming softer, plumper, and naturally pink. This step is a must for achieving visible results by day 7. Day 4. Natural tint with beetroot juice. If you want to see instant pink lips while nourishing them, beetroot is your answer. Beetroot is rich in natural pigments and antioxidants that not only tint your lips but also help reduce pigmentation over time. Take a fresh slice of beetroot and rub it directly onto your lips for 2 to 3 minutes. Alternatively, you can grate a small piece, squeeze out the juice, and apply it using a cotton swab. Leave the beet juice on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off. The result? Naturally pink lips without any chemicals or artificial colors. Repeat this daily, and by day 7, your lips will have a long-lasting pink tint that looks completely natural. Day 5. Overnight lip masks for intense hydration. It's time to take hydration to the next level with an overnight lip mask. Mix a few drops of honey with a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to create a nourishing lip mask. Apply a thick layer to your lips right before bed. Aloe vera soothes and heals, while honey locks in moisture. When you wake up in the morning, wipe off the mask with a damp cloth, and you'll notice your lips feel incredibly soft and supple. This deep treatment ensures your lips are getting all the hydration and nutrients they need to stay healthy and pink. Day 6. Avoid bad habits and boost circulation. Day 6 is all about making subtle changes that have a big impact. First, stop licking your lips. It's a habit that dries them out and makes them prone to cracking. Instead, keep your lip balm handy and reapply as needed. Next, boost circulation to enhance the natural color of your lips. Massage your lips with a clean, soft toothbrush or use your fingertips to gently rub them for 1 to 2 minutes. This increases blood flow, making your lips appear fuller and pinker. For an added glow, you can use a drop of olive or coconut oil during the massage. Day 7. Sun protection and final touches. The final step to achieving those juicy, pink lips is protecting them from the sun. UV rays can cause darkening and dryness, so always use a lip balm with SPF 15 or higher. Make it a daily habit, even if you're staying indoors. By day 7, your lips should feel transformed, soft, hydrated, and beautifully pink. To maintain these results, continue following these tips weekly. And don't forget, healthy lips are happy lips, so keep nourishing them with natural ingredients and plenty of hydration. And there you have it, 7 days to pink, hydrated, and juicy lips. Follow these steps consistently, and I promise, your lips will thank you. If you're excited to try these tips, let me know in the comments which one you'll start with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need a lip glow up. See you next time.